In this video, we're going to look at the introduction of a composite function just by using numbers. So it says here the functions f of x and g of x are given by the following. F of x is equal to x plus 4 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. And we're asked to calculate a, fg of 2, b, gf of minus 3, and c, gg of minus 2. So we really need to know what does this mean. Now, it does not mean multiply. It is a way of actually combining two functions. So basically, if you've got fg of 2, it means first do g. So you do the one next to the bracket first, and then you will do f. So what we need to do is put 2 into g. So we can write down an f, because we haven't done that yet, and then we need to put here 2 times x. So x is 2. So 2 times 2 minus 3. And then we work that out. 2 times 2 is 4, and we've still got to take away 3. And then 4 take away 3 is 1. We still put the f in because we haven't actually done the f function yet. Now all we need to do is work out f of 1. So that means now where there is an x in f, I now replace it with a 1. So we're now going to have 1 plus 4, because f of x is x plus 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So that is the answer of doing fg of 2. It's 5. Now another way to think about it is to first put your number into g without having to write this down. Just do 2 times 2 minus 3. Get an answer of 1 and then put it into f, and 1 plus 4 gives you that, and then say that fg2 is equal to 5. That's a different way of looking at it. Right, the next one, we've got to do gf of minus 3. So we've got to be a little bit careful because we've got a negative number. So if here, this means do g first and then do f, this means now do f and then do g. So that first to do f, one next to the bracket, then do g. So what is f? F is x plus 4. So we're going to write down a g because we haven't done that. And then we're going to do the f, which is x plus 4. So it's going to be minus 3 plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 makes 1. So we need to do g of 1. So that now means substitute into here 1, which gives you 2 times 1, take away 3. Which is going to be 2 take away 3, which is minus 1. So fg of minus 3 will give an answer of minus 1. And then finally, we've got to do gg of minus 2. Now, what does gg of minus 2 mean? Well, it just means do g twice. So we will write down g, because we haven't done it, and then 2 times minus 2, 2x, take away 3. So that's going to be g of minus 4, 2 times minus 2, take away 3. Now, minus 4 take away 3. So you're up minus 4, and you need to go back 3. That's going to take you to minus 7. So we now need to work out g of minus 7. So we now need to do 2 times minus 7, take away 3. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14, take away 3. Minus 14, take away 3 is going to give me minus 17. So this has been a video to show you the introduction of composite functions using numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.